Hello everybody, I hope so everybody is fine. Today I will share with you Lovebirds model. Also I will support it with pictures. If I had a mistake, please excuse me. For this project you will need 4mm crochet hook, acrylic line. Which color do you want? It is not problem. Small amount of yellow and pink yarn, save the eyes, toy stuffing, yarn needle and skires. Then let we start the project. Of course we will start with body. For this, at first step we will make magic ring and we will make 6 single crochet. After that, round 2 we will make 2 single crochet in each step around. And after that, round 3 we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Also we will repeat this 6 times. After this round we will make 18 single crochet. After that we will make 4 rounds. In this round we will make 2 single crochet and 1 increase and repeat it 6 times. In this round we will make 24 single crochet. Then let me continue with 5 rounds. In this round we will make 3 single crochet and 1 increase and repeat it 6 times. After this round we will make 30 single crochet. Let we continue round 6. In this round we will make 4 single crochet and 1 increase and repeat it 6 times. In this round we will make 36 single crochet. After that we will continue with 7 and 10. Between these rounds we will make just single crochet, so it will be 36 single crochet. Then 11 round. In this round we will make 4 single crochet and 1 decrease, and also we will repeat this 6 times. In this round we will make 30 single crochet. 12 round we will make in this round only single crochet. Also we will make 30 single crochet in this round. Let we continue round 13. In this round we will make 4 single crochet, 1 increase, and we will repeat 6 times. In this round we will make 36 single crochet. Round 14. In this round we will make 5 single crochet and 1 increase and we will repeat it 6 times. In this round we will make 42 single crochet. Let me continue 15 and 19. Between these rounds we will make just single crochet round. So in this round we will make 42 single crochet. Also please don't forget 11 and 12. For this round we will attach eyes between these rounds, so it will be 3 stitches apart. Let me continue round 20. In this round we will make 5 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times, and in this round we will make 36 single crochet. After that we will continue round 21. In this round we will make 4 single crochet and 1 decrease and we will repeat this 6 times. In this round we will make 30 single crochet totally. And round 22. In this round we will make 3 single crochet and 1 decrease, and we will reply this 6 times. In this round we will make 24 single crochet. Also in this round we will begin to stop as firmly. Let we continue 23. In this round we will make 2 single crochet and 1 decrease, and we will reply it 6 times, and we will make 18 single crochet. Then 24 rounds we will make in this round 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and we will reply it 6 times. In this round we will make 12 single crochet. Then after that we will continue to start firmly. We will continue round 25. In this round we will finish hat, so we will make 6 times decrease. Also fasten off and leave a long tail end to close the body wave tail end. Throw all 6 stitches in the front loops only, then pull. Please don't forget this. We finished the hat. Now we will continue with wings. You will use same colors, and we will make 2. One round for wings. We will make a magic ring, and we will make 6 single crochet. In this round we will make 6 single crochet, and 2 rounds we will make 2 single crochet in each state around in this round. So 2 rounds we will make 12 single crochet. Now we will continue with 3 and 4 rounds. In this round we will make single crochet around it. So we will make 2 rounds single crochet. In this round we will make 12 single crochet, and 5 rounds we will make 4 single crochet and 1 decrease. Also we will reply it 2 times. So in this round we will make 10 single crochet. Also we finish 2 wings, and we fasten off and leave long tail and for sewing. So dear friends, after this movie I will add 7 steps. You can see it's on last of this movie. We finished wings. We made it 2 part. After that we will make tail. For tail, first round we will make magic ring and 5 single crochet, so it will be 5 single crochet, and we will continue with 2 rounds. In this round we will make just single crochet, so it will be 5 single crochet. Let we continue round 3. In this round we will make 2 single crochet in each state around, and after this round it will be 10 single crochet. Then we will make 4 rounds. In this round we will make just single crochet around, so it will be 10 single crochet. After we finish it, we will fasten off and leave long tail and for the sewing. Also I have said it, you can see assembly steps. I will show it by pictures. I hope so you like this. This is a easy project. I hope so you made it, and I hope so you like it. Thank you so much for listening to me.